Okay, in the performancemadesimple.com 10 and 20 tool, we're using the range plyometrics, and I have to talk about zone 8 and 9. And basically with zone 8 and 9, what happens here is the specific methods. I've covered the plyometrics for power zone 7, and when you watch that video, if you've been identified by the 10 and 20 running tool to do plyometrics and your training loads in zone 8, essentially you're just breaking the two videos that you can see with the strength methods for plyometrics. You're going to do the plyometrics on zone 10 through 13, and the power part of this you're going to do the plyometrics from zone 7. So in the beginning of the week, you're basically going to do zone 7 plyos that I've already covered, and you can go watch those videos at the beginning of the week, and then towards the end of the week you're going to do basically zone 10 through 13 plyometrics. And this is how you would bridge and bring together zone 8 with your plyometrics. So you do your loading zone, and then you do your plyometrics sequence throughout the week. So you're splitting the week. At the beginning of the week, you follow the loading zones. And essentially you have any day, if you don't know exactly what the loading zones are, below 80% load is the power day, and above 80% load on the bar, and it talks about that in the videos, is essentially your strength loading zone. Now that's flipped on zone 9. So if you have your athlete run and he gets loading zone 9, you essentially will basically do zones 10 through 13 at the beginning of the week, okay? And then the power zone will be done, the zone 7 below 80% will be done at the end of the week. That's the difference, okay? So you might start out at zone 10 with your running, and then right away the kids drop to 8, so then you switch to power plyometrics at the beginning, which are the loading zone 7, and then at the end of the week you'll do the loading zones 10 through 13 plyometric description. So basically you're merging power and strength together. It just depends on the week of which order you want to do the prescribed methods that I did in the previous videos.